Discover the simple step-by-step method to make thousands of dollars per month or more with affiliate marketing. Are you looking for a proven method for making money online? Something that works even if you don't have a lot of prior knowledge or experience. The big reason why most people fail to see long-lasting results online is because they don't make money fast enough. You need to make some big money wins very quickly. By doing that, you'll quickly build confidence and prove to yourself that you can make money online, for real. That's why you should take a very close look at affiliate marketing. Here's why. With affiliate marketing, you can literally be in business today. With affiliate marketing, you're paid a commission when you make a sale of someone else's product. It's literally as simple as picking an offer and sending some traffic, and getting paid. And you can get paid really well. Many affiliate marketers make 6 figures or more every single year. Here's why affiliate marketing is the best way to get started making money online. You can get started as soon as today. You don't have to do a bunch of market research or even create your own product or service. Getting started is as easy as choosing a market and promoting it. Many affiliate programs pay commissions as high as 75%. That means you're often getting paid more than the product owner. And it's easy to scale up your income to $10,000 per month or beyond. Sounds pretty great, right? But before you get started, there are some things you must consider if you want to see success. Things like finding the right affiliate products to promote, how to get approved for the affiliate offers that you want to promote, getting everything set up the right way without wasting time and spinning your wheels, how to get online traffic easily and start promoting your first affiliate product while making a profit, and how to track everything so you know when to scale a campaign up and take it to the next level. Although it all sounds really easy, most people that try affiliate marketing fail. But why? It's because most people trying to make money as an affiliate just wing it. Many of the methods out there are outdated or just don't work. You see, the key to success with affiliate marketing is in the details. Do things the right way and you can make a ton of money online. And very quickly. Do things wrong and you'll struggle to make a dime online. That's why you need someone that knows what works to show you how to see success with affiliate marketing, based on what's working right now, not last year. There's a lot of outdated tactics and information out there that will have you running in circles. What I've put together is the most complete guide for profiting like crazy with affiliate marketing. It's called Affiliate Marketing Excellence. Inside you'll learn how to get started with affiliate marketing even if you've never made a penny online before. The fastest way to begin earning up to $20,000 per year with affiliate marketing and then scale that up to $100,000 or more. The best product to promote and how to find them. 2 options you have when it comes to generating traffic to your offers and how to get started, even if you don't have a massive advertising budget. The 4 best platforms for finding information products that often pay commission in the 50 to 75% range. How to find information products that pay you high commissions as well as instant commissions into your PayPal account. Although there may be a lot of products to choose from, why focusing on a big niche might not be always the best way to get started. The ultimate beginner's strategy for getting started and making a profit as soon as this week. Why sending traffic to the product owner's sales page can sometimes cost you a lot of money. 2 simple methods for quickly making sales by doing something that you're probably already doing. Plus, how to leverage your existing network to quickly take your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures and beyond. How to make affiliate sales by marketing in person. How to use content marketing online to build a massive following and scale your income to $10,000 per month or more. And the 4 secrets that all successful affiliate marketers must follow. No stones are left unturned inside the Affiliate Marketing Excellence ebook. This will show you the ropes to success even if you have no prior experience as an affiliate marketer, don't have a website, don't have a list, you're not tech savvy, you've never made a penny online before. None of that matters. You'll get everything you need to get started making money as an affiliate marketer today. And you don't have to spend a fortune to get started. You can get started with little to no investment today. But the best part about this is the price. Although what you'll learn inside can easily give you the skills to generate thousands upon thousands of dollars in profit, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to the Affiliate Marketing Excellence course for less than you'd spend on lunch for two. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it gets even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable Fast Action bonuses. Fast Action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire course into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easier to stay focused and see success. Fast Action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get results with affiliate marketing. Fast Action bonus number 4 is an affiliate marketing infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay on task. But you don't have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive the course and make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside Affiliate Marketing Excellence, simply let us know and we'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to start making money as an affiliate marketer, as soon as today, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.